Okay, I'm going to log in my back office and I'm going to show you how to go from a monthly membership to upgrade to a 1-year membership. And I always stress this, only do it if you feel comfortable. Okay, and if you have a couple $100, great. Because the advantage is you are a VIP at this point when you do the 1 year. Okay, and you're going to get a greater commission on people that sign up in your downline. That is very important. You're going to earn more money. All right. So when I joined this Save Club thing, I just did it for the month because I didn't know if I'd be even able to sign people up. Well, right now I've already got about 20, 25 people that are signed up already. And I know I'm going to have hundreds more over the next couple months. So of course I want to earn more money. All right. So I'm going to show you how just to simply upgrade from, if you want to do the 1 month, great. Just get in, get the $19.97 out and boom, spend it. All right. Or if you have a 20, you get 3 cents back. Okay. Now let me see if I can remember how to shrink my big giant head and put myself over in the bottom right corner. Okay. First of all, guys, I want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. Just go there. I want you to watch the short video. You'll see it. It's a YouTube video by the founder. All right. His name is Charles. I like to call him Chuckles Charles or Charles Chuckles. Or maybe he just wants to go by Charles. But anyway, go to ilovesaveclub.com. Now, after you join, okay, you're going to go to your back office. And this is just the home page. And I can show you how to look for your deals if you want to save money and how to enter information like your credit card and configure your bank so you can get paid every Friday and whatnot. But I just had a question emailed to me. How do I upgrade my membership? I joined by the month, but I see the advantage of upgrading, okay, to the year. So what I'm going to do is hit right here. See where it says my membership? Okay. Now, all you have to do, if you're signed up for the month, and I've got to be careful because I have all my private information kind of below. Let's see. Let me see if I can scroll without showing everything. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. If I go lower, you'll be able to see all my stuff, and then I'll have to like edit or blur it out. That's a pain in the ass. So remember, go to my membership. You have paid your membership for the month, April. Would you like to upgrade your membership to yearly? Okay. So just click the orange button that says yes. Okay. Now, see the drop-down box. Some people are going to pay with cryptocurrency, especially on my downline in the Philippines and some other smaller countries. They simply don't have banks on every corner like I do here in Salt Lake. So I just use my credit card, my debit card. I'm with a really big bank nationwide. So I'm going to pay using my credit card. And you can see right here, yearly membership is $239.97. Okay. I know that sounds like, oh man, do I have a couple $100? Is it worth it? Guys, if you're going to take this serious, it is. Because I want you to make maximum amount of money for every person that you sign up. And I truly believe that you are going to have success in this, okay? Disclaimer, disclaimer. I always got to watch how I phrase things when it comes to either signing people up or making money. But see right here, it says, please confirm that your account information below is correct. Well, you know what, guys? If you already signed up by the month, that means it is correct because they've already charged you $60 one-time fee to be an affiliate, $19.97 for the month. And if I scroll right down, you're going to get a button that just says pay. Okay? But where it says yearly membership, $239.97, whenever your 30-day membership expires, they're going to upgrade you to the 1 year. So let's say you got 3 more weeks left on your monthly. That doesn't mean you're going to get the year and that those remaining 3 weeks are just going to be wiped out because as of, let's say right now, is going to start counting down the 12 months. Okay. That's not how it works. So whatever you have remaining, feel comfortable. You've got 1 year and 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, whatever you have left remaining. Okay. But please upgrade to the 1 year if you feel that you've got a couple $100. Okay. I'm not out for the cash grab. I'm not going anywhere. All right. I like to be brutally honest because some people might not have a couple $100, but if you do, awesome. To be a VIP, it is worth it. I want you to make greater commissions on everyone that signs up. And I mean, signs up, more people underneath them and so on and so on. All right. It's not like you make like an extra 10 cents and you're like, oh, wow, great. All right. When you start building a nice team, it's going to really pay off. And you're going to encourage people that sign up underneath you and people that sign up underneath them to do the same thing. And one nice thing is you have a year now to breathe a little bit. You've paid for the affiliate fee. You are paid for the year. Now relax and let's learn how to be compelling, interesting, captivating, all right, mysterious. And what I mean by that is if you send an email and people open it up and read it and go, hey, I'm going to watch this little video, okay? Because I send everyone to my capture page that's produced by the founder, Charles, okay? What I mean by being mysterious or captivating or interesting is if people are just scrolling on like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, why are they going to stop and maybe look at your, ad or your post or your short little video? Okay. It's nice if you can put yourself in front of people that are looking for a home-based business, how to earn money or how to save money on things they're already buying. Okay. That's the whole trick to this. And I hope that you just get like a domain name or whatever your link is after you join. You just invite people to click that link and watch the video. That is it. Just like this video here, I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel and I'm going to spread this all over on my social media pages. And if people are searching, how do I upgrade my membership for 1 month to 1 year? Then hopefully you'll just watch my video. Okay. And it provides value. Okay. And I want you to do the same thing with your downline. Always help your downline because when the pay is like this, it's about duplication. You will make money. Okay. You will make money when people sign up with you. Okay. Right here. See where it says pay plan? Okay. Just scroll. Okay. And you can see, just read a little bit. Okay. And just read this, soak it in if you can. All these numbers are a big pain in the butt. Okay. But if you can understand the pay plan, you can see why, yes, it is 100% in your best interest to be a VIP so you earn higher commissions. Okay. Now with LiveGood, which is almost identical to this website because they lease the infrastructure, they always have a YouTube video about the comp plan. It's not produced yet, but it will. So what I encourage you to do is how I have done a video, just how to upgrade by going to my membership. Okay. And then just click the upgrade to 1 year. I encourage you to do the same thing when it comes to a pay plan. Okay. Don't try to explain, well, why do I want to be a 1 year VIP person? Now read about it. Okay. Just read here. If you joined for 60 and you did the 1 month for, $19.97, okay, allowing you to earn up to 40% of whoever you enroll. So if you enrolled underneath me, of course I want to make 40% of $79.97. Okay. Personally enrolled. If you're 1 star, 25%, 2, 3, 4, 5%. You can see that when, like if you sign up underneath me, you're considered personally enrolled. And if you sign up somebody, look at that, you get 5%. If you're a 2 star, you get 4% plus 4, 3, 2, 1. This all adds up, guys. I know this is confusing. I'm even making it more confusing. But just read these sentences right here. I don't want to make my videos like all drawn out. I think you guys would rather just log in, go right here to the very bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of the web page, and please hit pay plan link right there. Take your time and realize there's going to be some really nice videos made by this company. It's going to be on YouTube, so you can just click it. And if people ever want to know about the comp plan, tell them, hey, well, if you're already joined, go to the bottom and hit the pay plan link. Okay. And then once a real nice, concise video with graphics, anything to make it easy to understand, that's where I will just go, guys, if you want to know about the comp plan, just click. And I'm going to send you a link in my email, or I'm just going to point to it at the bottom of my video. And then you click it and watch it. Because people want to watch little videos. They don't want to read. I think this is boring. 1 star is 20%, of 15% is 12% of 4. 99% of people aren't going to really understand this. Okay. What I focus on is, hey, can I get 40% when someone signs up, like you or anyone that I'm lucky enough to have join my team? Do I want 40% of basically 80 bucks? Okay, you'll have to get out your calculator. I don't even know what that comes to. All right. But the 15% or $12 on everyone on your entire team when they order, yeah, I just want to get maximum amount of money for each person I sign up. And the best way to do that, obviously, is just go to my membership, click right there, right? Boom, orange button, click it, and just follow the button. Go ahead and upgrade, but do it when you can afford to do it. Okay? All right, guys, I'm at the 10-minute mark. Go to ilovesaveclub.com if you're not signed up yet. Okay, let's get you going. And please, take your time. Sign up for $19.97, or if you want to sign up for the year, awesome. You're in VIP status, and you're at the maximum amount of moolah in your pocket when people sign up, okay? Thanks for your time, guys. Hopefully this wasn't more confusing than it needed to be, but I just wanted to show you how to upgrade real quick. And like I said, go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of the web page and hit the pay plan and just spend 10, 20 minutes just trying to soak it in. And like I said, give us some time. We're only on like day 11 of this whole opportunity. And there's going to be some really good produced video about the comp plan right from this company, Save Club. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. You guys take care.